They say home is where the heart is, presenting 10,791 to 10,799 Ohio Avenue, a student accommodation in Los Angeles that is certain to steal your heart away. Nestled in the heart of the city, the property offers a range of comfortable private rooms and thoughtfully designed 4-bedroom shared apartments, which come with shared bathrooms and shared kitchens, thus coupling privacy with a spirit of community living. Plus, you can enjoy access to in-unit laundry, and the best part will definitely be that all your bills are included in the rent. Moreover, with the University of California and ELS language centers, Santa Monica just a short drive away, you'll never be late for any of those morning lectures. When you're not hitting the books, explore Los Angeles' delectable dining options, enjoying a meal at nearby popular restaurants such as Nuka Cafe, Flame Persian Cuisine, and Shahrazad Restaurant. Also, you can grab a cup of coffee at Mary and Rob's Westwood Cafe and Ministry of Coffee, which are a short walk away. Plus, commuting will be a breeze as convenient bus stops and light train stations are located in close proximity to the property. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to amberstudent.com right now to book an unparalleled stay, your future home away from home in the bustling city of Los Angeles.